Fishing becomes far more rewarding when using modern gadgets built to enhance every catch. These amazing fishing tools are designed to increase efficiency, improve accuracy, and maximize results. Each innovation offers unique benefits, ensuring better performance on the water. Explore the full selection, and remember, links are in the description below for easy access. Number 30. Lowrance Eagle Eye Fishfinder. Rather than guessing where the fish are, this 9-inch device gives sharp underwater clarity with 4 unique sonar views, including forward, down, chirp, and imaging that highlights fish clearly. It auto-tunes for accurate results, while detailed charts with live mapping add confidence on the water. The IPS display stays bright from every angle, even with polarized lenses. A new twist lock connector ensures quick setup, making it a reliable companion for both boats and kayaks. Number 29. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod Set. This fishing kit offers a complete solution for beginners and experienced anglers alike. The set includes 2 telescopic rods, reels, lines, lures, hooks, and a carrier bag, making it ready for any trip. Made of high-density carbon fiber with fiberglass, the rods are strong yet flexible. Comfortable grips, corrosion-resistant reel seats, and a portable design enhance ease of use. Equipped with smooth gears and ample line capacity, it ensures a satisfying fishing experience every time. Number 28. KastKing Fishing Net. Instead of struggling with heavy nets, this clever fishing tool offers an easy foldable frame, retractable handle, and bright foam grip for better handling in any condition. Built with strong aluminum and tangle-free mesh, it's both durable and gentle on fish. The floating design prevents loss, while a built-in scale allows quick measurement. Convenient to carry with its storage bag and clip, it adapts perfectly for boat trips, bank sessions, or larger catches, making it a reliable partner. Number 27. Brutus Spincast Reel. High performance defines this Spincast reel, designed for fast, smooth line pickup with a dual stainless steel system. Its 4:1 gear ratio lets anglers reel quickly, reducing slack for better catches. Built with 5 durable ball bearings, it ensures long-lasting, effortless operation. The reversible aluminum handle with rubber grips adapts for left or right-hand use. Pre-spooled with 160 yards of monofilament line and offering extra line capacity. It's suitable for freshwater fishing, ready for action straight from the box. Number 26. Fishing Rod Holder. This fishing rod holder stands out with its dual V-shaped frame, anti-slip silicone grip, and added securing strap, ensuring rods remain safe even during strong bites. It attaches easily to round or square rails, flat surfaces, and irregular edges without scratching. With 360-degree rotation, angle adjustments, and tool-free setup, it offers convenience for different fishing situations. Built with durable aluminum alloy and marine-grade steel, it guarantees lasting strength while making fishing smoother and more enjoyable. Number 25. Fishing chair. Since spending hours by the water demands both comfort and function, this chair is built to meet every need. Its extendable legs with rotating feet keep it balanced on any surface. A built-in cooler preserves food and drinks, while the adjustable rod holder allows hands-free fishing. Multiple storage compartments hold tackle, tools, and accessories with ease. The breathable mesh back ensures comfort during long sessions, making it a flawless choice for those who enjoy fishing on varied terrain. Number 24. Smart Bait Mini. Offering lifelike action, this smart electronic lure brings small bait fish to life, attracting predatory species with realistic swimming and escape movements. Compact and portable, it works in freshwater, saltwater, and offshore environments, overcoming live bait challenges. Waterproof up to 150 meters, it withstands strong bites, while automatic water activation and fast magnetic charging ensure effortless use. A secure retrieval system prevents losses, and built-in sound waves enhance fish attraction. Number 23. TRUSCEND Fishing Pliers. Great for anglers who want lasting reliability, these pliers are built from aircraft-grade aluminum with a protective coating that resists rust even in salt water. Reinforced rivets keep the jaws tight and durable, ensuring a dependable grip through repeated use. Sharp blades handle lines and wires with precision, making clean cuts every time. The ergonomic trigger-style handle provides steady control, reducing strain during long sessions. Number 22. Underwater underwater fishing camera. Capturing underwater action becomes easier with this high-definition fishing camera built for both beginners and pros. Featuring a 7-inch IPS screen, it delivers sharp detail and real-time clarity. The 10,000 mAh battery supports up to 20 hours of use, while USB-C charging ensures extended fishing sessions. With adjustable LED and IR lighting, visibility improves in dark or murky waters. A magnetic mount simplifies handling, and the plug-and-play design allows instant use, helping anglers fish smarter with less effort. Number 21. Fishing gloves. These gloves provide reliable UPF 50 sun protection, keeping hands safe during long hours outdoors. Made from breathable poly spandex, they stay cool while allowing full dexterity for fishing, paddling, or hunting. Reinforced palms with non-slip pads and integrated pull tabs add durability and ease. Fashionable boulder camo design delivers rugged style, while snug 4-way stretch ensures a secure fit. Built for prolonged sun exposure, they combine protection, comfort, and lasting performance. Number 20. Electric Fillet Knife. Most anglers will appreciate this cordless fillet knife for effortless fish preparation. Its ergonomic handle with trigger guard ensures a secure grip, while the stainless steel blades offer the right balance of strength and flexibility for various fish sizes. The high-speed motor delivers smooth, fast filleting, and 2 rechargeable batteries provide long-lasting power with LED indicators. Moreover, it comes with a molded carry case that safely stores the knife, blades, and accessories for convenient transport. Make sure to tap the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you'll always get a heads up whenever something new and exciting comes your way. Number 19. BasicGear Cast Net. Among fishing gear options, this cast net impresses with strength and ease of use. Featuring reinforced nylon mesh and rust-resistant sinkers, it delivers reliable performance. A double lead line, stainless swivel, and comfortable wrist strap enhance handling. The tangle-free design and fast sink speed make catching bait effortless. It comes with a repair kit, instructions, and a storage box for convenience. Crafted by skilled fishers, it offers lasting use for anyone who enjoys fishing. Number 18. First Cast Fly Rod. As a portable option for fishing trips, this fly rod and reel combo is designed for quick setup with no knots required, making it beginner-friendly. Built with internally lined graphite, it provides medium-fast action and prevents breakage from fragile eyelets. The CNC aluminum reel with adjustable drag ensures smooth line control, while its lightweight frame packs down to 19 inches for easy storage. With options for trout, bass, or carp, it suits both casual and skilled anglers. Number 17. Booms Fishing R2. When fishing gets tough and hooks sink deep, this tool makes removal easier and safer. Its ergonomic grip fits naturally in the hand, allowing smooth, single-handed use without strain. Made of anodized aluminum, it resists saltwater damage while staying light and strong. The design keeps fingers away from sharp teeth, reducing risks during release. It also lessens injury to fish, making it suitable for catch-and-release anglers targeting trout, snapper, and other similar species. Number 16. Fishing Hard Bait. Using surface action to attract fish, this topwater lure offers exciting performance for anglers. Its balanced design allows straight movement at different speeds, while the cupped tail creates splashes and noise to draw attention. Equipped with sharp, rust-resistant hooks, it holds firmly during tough battles. The 3-pack in assorted colors measures 90 millimeters, weighs just 0.07 kilograms, and works well in open water or near cover, providing reliable results. Number 15. LED lighted fishing bobbers. In night or daytime fishing, these LED lighted bobbers brighten every catch with long-lasting lithium batteries and vivid colors. Adjustable springs allow precise depth control, while added weights adapt to different waters. Crafted from lightweight, durable materials, they are ultra-sensitive to the slightest nibble, ideal for crappie, catfish, trout, and more. Crack-resistant construction ensures lasting use, and multiple sizes provide flexibility. Visibility remains excellent from afar, making fishing easier and more rewarding for all skill levels. Number 14. Belt Clip Rod Holder. Despite long hours by the water, this clever belt-mounted holder keeps rods secure and close at hand. It fits straps from 1 to 2 inches wide, giving anglers reliable support while fishing. A rotating design allows smooth adjustments in any direction, while the quick lock system ensures stability. The added elastic cord offers extra hold, even when moving. It's built to handle both both fly and spinning setups with ease. Number 13, fishing tape measure. Gathering your catch feels more rewarding with this clever roll-up measuring tool built for fishing trips. Made from strong silicone that resists salt water, it stays reliable through seasons of use. The flexible strip stretches for accurate length checks and coils tightly for storage. A detachable section allows it to act like a bump board, adding extra practicality. It's stylish and crafted by skilled hands to make every outing more enjoyable. Number 12. Foldable Pier Fishing Net. Apart from ordinary fishing gear, this foldable Pier net offers exceptional convenience and strength. Its carbon fiber handle extends up to 40 inches, paired with a 49-foot rope for landing large bass, halibut, and catfish. The rust-resistant stainless steel ring and reinforced frame handle heavy catches, while the dual braided mesh protects fish fins and scales. Collapsible to 17 inches and weighing only 1.2 pounds, it's suitable for pier, bridge, or kayak fishing adventures. Number 11, Deeper Start Fishfinder. Beyond ordinary fishing experiences, this portable sonar helps anglers discover hidden catches from shore, dock, or kayak with ease. Compact and light, it works without tangled wires or extra batteries. Paired with a free, easy app, it shows fish positions, depth, vegetation, and bottom contours, saving every scan automatically. With casts reaching 165 feet and a 40-degree sonar beam, it provides precise coverage even during night trips, making each outing productive. Number 10, Digital Fish Scale. Bringing ease to every fishing trip, this digital scale floats and stays waterproof, making it reliable even if dropped. It records up to 8 catches with automatic total calculation and locks weights quickly. Suitable for fish up to 110 pounds, it switches between pounds, ounces, and kilograms. A 9-inch lip gripper secures catches safely, and a compact carry bag keeps everything organized. In addition, it provides consistent performance. Number 9. Fishing Lip Gripper. Having the right grabber can make handling catches simple and secure. Built with a jaw opener and tooth-like edges, it allows one-handed use while locking firmly in place. The quick release system ensures smooth control, and its strong nylon with glass fiber mix supports fish up to 110 pounds. Suitable for both fresh and salt water, it helps protect the fish while keeping the user safe. Number 8. Fishing Knot Tying Tool. This smart fishing aid keeps hands safe while securing tackle, making knot tying less risky and more manageable. It fits a wide range of hook sizes and includes a built-in cutter for strong lines. Suitable for beginners, youngsters, or those with limited hand strength, it helps with complex knots smoothly. Useful in both fresh and salt water, it performs well even in icy conditions. Number 7. Zebco Z-Cast Fishing Rod. An impressive travel-friendly rod extends from 17 inches to 5 feet 6 inches, fitting easily into small spaces while staying ready for action. Its fiberglass build offers both strength and flexibility, with medium power for smooth casts and solid hook control. A cushioned EVA handle provides comfort during longer use, while shock ring guides and a twist lock seat improve stability. Matching well with lighter lines and lures, it's ideal for trout, panfish, and similar species. Number 6. Fishing Lures. Even in challenging waters, this lure stands out with its 8-jointed body that moves naturally to draw strikes. Its lifelike design, complete with 3D eyes and detailed coating, creates the appearance of real prey. Built from strong ABS and fitted with an internal rattle, it produces sound waves that spark feeding instincts. Effective in both saltwater and freshwater, it works across different layers, making it suitable for targeting bass, trout, pike, salmon, and other game fish. Number 5. Floating Fishing Basket. A floating basket makes storing live bait simple and effective. Built with strong nylon mesh and reinforced edges, it holds well in both fresh and salt water. The lightweight frame features foam support, keeping the top afloat while allowing better airflow for lively catches. Its collapsible design with a layered structure and a hand strap ensures portability. A secured drawstring prevents escape, while dense mesh keeps shrimp, minnows, or crayfish fresh. Number 4. Fly Fishing Tippet Holder. Equipped with a sharp built-in cutter, this fishing tool eliminates the need for extra scissors and even works well at night thanks to its luminous feature. Made from lightweight rust-proof aluminum, it combines durability with portability. It securely holds multiple spools, making changes quick and hassle-free. With a handy carabiner clip, it easily attaches to belts, vests, or gear loops, keeping everything within reach. Number 3. Live Bait Cooler Pro. Keeping bait fresh on long trips is easier with this well-designed cooler that comes with a rechargeable aerator lasting up to 48 hours. Built with strong steel hinges and leak-proof sealing, it's made for serious anglers. Its insulated build also doubles as a drink cooler, adding extra use outdoors. A pull net makes handling bait simple, while carry handles and a shoulder strap ensure portability. Number 2. Smart Fishing Light. This underwater fishing light draws attention with bright, stable LEDs and precise control, luring fish even in deep or dark waters. It offers green and red wavelengths for different water types and fish preferences, along with 5 natural sound simulations to attract fish from a distance. Waterproof to 300 meters, it runs up to 6 hours on a single magnetic charge. Its intelligent liquid level sensor and water-cooled heat system ensure automatic activation and steady performance. Number 1. Kayak Fishfinder Mount. This reliable mount is built to hold electronic fish finders securely, supporting devices up to 9 inches across different brands like Garmin, Lowrance, and Humminbird. Crafted with durable nylon and stainless steel parts, it withstands harsh water conditions while maintaining strength. The adjustable arm enables underwater inspection with reduced drag and a lower risk of damage. Easy to install with included plates and ties, it fits kayaks, canoes, and even larger boats. So that's all for today. We hope you already liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for more details.